Hi friends, in this video we'll learn about the shortcut to find the square root of the numbers between 30 to 100. This will be useful for competitive exams like Bank PO, RRB, UPSC, etc. And for practice exams, you can download our Untitled Exams app from the Play Store, where you can not only learn but also earn rewards for learning. Now let me go to the concept. So there are three cases. Say if the number falls between 31 to 50, this will have one method, and if the number falls between 51 to 80, there is a slightly different method, and 80 to 100 also has a slightly different method. So there are three cases. The first thing that you have to understand is you have to find out in which case does your number fall. So for example, let me go to the method now. For example, you want to find the square of 37. So here so 37 square, right? So for finding 37 square, first you have to find the number called as x. X is nothing but 50 minus 37. So 50 minus 37 is 13, and you have to find x square, so which is 13 square. 13 square is 169. Okay friends, I want to tell you one thing. Before you go on to find the squares of higher numbers, it is very important that you should memorize all the squares up to 30. Without memorizing the squares up to 30, you cannot go beyond it. So it is very important that you know all the squares till 30 by your heart. Okay, so you found the x, then you found the x square, which is 169. And next thing is the last two digits of the square of x, that is 69. 69 will be the last two digits of your required square. Okay, and next thing, so you know the last two digits of the required square. Now for the first digit of the required square, what you're going to do is you're going to use this formula: 25 minus x plus first digit of x square. So here 25 minus what is x? X is 13. So 25 minus 13, and what is the first digit of x square? It is 1. So I wrote 1. 25 minus 13 plus 1 is nothing but 13. So what is the required square? So required square is 13 and 69. 1369 is the square of 37. So in this way, you'll be easily able to find the squares of any numbers between 30 to 50. For example, you want to find the square of 44. So here the x will be 50 minus 44, which is 6. So 6 square is nothing but 36. So the last two digits of the required square will be 36. Now to find the first digits, you have to subtract 25 minus x. 25 minus, here x is 6. 25 minus 6 plus what is the first digit of the x square? We don't have a first digit here, so it is 0. So 25 minus 6 plus 0 is nothing but 19. Okay, so the first two digits will be 19 and the second two digits will be 36. So in this way we got 1936. The square of 44 is 1936. So it is very simple. First you have to find x. X is nothing but 50 minus number. Then find the x square. Then last two digits of x square. Then first digit of the required square is nothing but 25 minus x plus first digit of x square. Okay, in the same way, let's go to case 2. In the case 2, if the number is more than 50, so it is 51 to 80, right? In this case, what we do is, again we find x, but here x is number minus 50. Instead of 50 minus number, now we are using number minus 50. So here the number is 74. 74 minus 50 is nothing but 26, right? 74 minus 50 is nothing but 24. I'm sorry, 24. And so what is square of 24? 576. So I found the square 576. So what are the last two digits of 576? 76. Okay, now I want to find the first digits of the required square. So the formula is nothing but 25 plus x. So here what is x? 24. So 25 plus 24 plus the first digit of the x square, which is 5. So the answer is 54 are the first two digits, 76 is the last two digits. So the answer is 54, 76. Let me tell you one more example. 68 square. So here 68 minus 50 is x. 68 minus 50 is 18. Now you have to find 18 square. 18 square is nothing but 324. Now the last two digits of 324 is 24 Now you want to find the first digit of the required square. What you have to do? 25 plus 18. 25 plus 18 is how much? 38. 25 plus 18. 25, 35, 43. Now 43 plus what is the first digit in 324? 3. 43 plus 3 is 46. So the first two digits are 46. So the answer is 46, 24. So in this way you can find the square for numbers between 51 to 80. Now let me go to third case. So in this case what happens is uh, for squares of numbers from 81 to 100. So suppose you want to find the square of 87. So here what will you do is you will find x by subtracting the number from 100 because it is near to 100. Okay, so here 100 minus 87 is x. So 100 minus 87 is 13. And what is the square of 13? It is 169. Okay, so what will be the last two digits of the required number? 69. Okay, it will be 69. There's a small error in the picture. Okay, so it's only last two digits of the required square will be 69. Okay, now what will be the first digits of the required number? It will be 100 minus 2 into x plus first digit of x square. So 100 minus 2 into x. X is how much? 13. 100 minus 2 into 13. 2 into 13 is 26. 100 minus 26 is how much? 74. 74 plus what is the first digit of x square? 1. 75. So the first two digits will be 75. The second two digits will be, the last two digits will be 69. 75, 69. The square of 87 is 75, 69. In the same way, let's go to next question, 93 square. So here x will be 100 minus 93. So 100 minus 93 is 7. Then x square will be 49. So 49 are the last two digits of the required number. And then how do we find the first digits? 100 minus 2 into x. So 100 minus 2 into 7 is 14. 100 minus 14 is how much? 84. Okay, and we don't have any number in the hundreds place in the x square, so that's 0 plus 0. So 86, 49 is the correct answer. I hope you got it. Let me summarize this again. First you have to find x. X is nothing but if it is less than 50, 50 minus number. If it is more than 50, number minus 50. If it is near to 100, 100 minus number. Okay, then find the x square. Then the last two digits of the x square will be the last two digits of the square of the required number. Then how will you find the first two digits? It is very simple. It will be 25 minus x plus first digit of x square for numbers between 30 to 50. It will be 25 plus x plus first digit of x square for the numbers between 50 to 80. And it will be 100 minus 2 into x plus first digit of x square for the numbers between 81 to 100. Okay, it seems little difficult in the beginning, but as you practice it will become very easy and you need not solve these problems again and again in the rough work. You can mentally do this mathematics. Let me show you some more examples. Okay, so here I have two examples for each category. So in the first category I have 39 square. So here 39 square, so what is x? 50 minus 39, which is 11. So 11 square is 121. So the last two digits is 21. And what is the first digit? 25 minus 11, which is nothing but 25 minus 11 is how much? 14. And what is the first digit here? 1. 15. So what is the answer? 15, 21. 46 square. 46 square is again 50 minus 46 is x. So 50 minus 46 is 4. 4 square 16. So the last two digits is 16. So what are the first two digits? 25 minus x. 25 minus x is 25 minus 4. So 25 minus 4 is 21. 21, 16 is the square of 46. Now let's go to the second case, 63 square. So 63 square, so here what will be x? 63 minus 50. So it will be 13. 13 square is 169. So the last two digits of the number will be 69. And what will be the first digits? So it will be 25 plus x. So 25 plus 13, 38 plus the first digit of x square, 39. 39, 69. Let me go to the fourth one. This is also second case question. So 72 square. So here again x will be equal to 72 minus 50, which is equal to 22. So now what is x square? 22 square is equal to 484. So 484. Now again, what are the last two digits of the required square? 84. Now what are the first digits? 25 plus 22, which is nothing but 47, plus first digit of the x square, which is 4. 47 plus 4, 51. So answer is 5184. Now let's go to the third category, 84 square and 96 square. 84 square, so 100 minus 84 will be x, so which is nothing but 16. And what is the square of 16? 256. Now so the last two digits of the square of 16 is 256, sorry 56. And what are the first digits of the required square? It will be 100 minus 2 into 16, 100 minus 32 plus 2. So 100 minus 32 is how much? 68, right? And what is the first digit of the x square? 2. 68 plus 2 is 70. So what is the answer? 70, 56. 84 square is 70, 56. 96 square. So 96 square, what is x? 100 minus 96, 4. 4 square is 16, right? And so last two digits of the required number is 16. And what are the first two digits? 100 minus 2 into x. 100 minus 2 into 4, 8. So it is 92. So what is the answer? 92, 16. So in this way, you can slowly practice, but in some time, if you practice, you will be able to do these problems effortlessly without even putting the pen on the paper. So try to practice more questions. You will be able to find more questions related to this in our app, Altaweb's exams app. Please download it and practice it. Thank you and happy learning.